We'll see a lot more inclusion right to the agricultural areas.
I see the density, the penetration rate in West Africa is relatively low, especially in Nigeria market that is quite huge. I see that changing in the coming year. And when that do change, the impact on the entire continent in terms of penetration rate would definitely move up.
We would see a lot more agency banking at the very remote areas. We would see a lot more alternative banking through agencies, through mobile, through alternative channels.
We are going to see a very inclusive ecosystem, which is technology based, because a lot of the things we do now could be better assisted if there were some automation. Yeah, and then we're also going to see a lot more focus on the customer.
So there will be a lot of products on the mobile. There will be a lot of stuff, if it is lending based on character, because there's no one-on-one. And that I think has already started happening in most countries. But it will be huge. It will be very huge.
If there is to be financial inclusion, there has to be more alignment on strategy, I believe, between the mobile money schemes and the banking sector.
There's going to be collaboration. I see microfinance banks like mine building up linkages with big actors in the mobile money sector.
A lot of small organizations will become very marginalized and probably completely out of business, because you have to do it at scale, you have to be efficient, and you have to understand who your customer niche is and what you offer to them.
For us in Tanzania, for example, now, having covered more than 44% through mobile financial on its own, I can see us going beyond probably 80% of that one. Now that one is only in Tanzania. If I take the example in the whole of Africa, I'm seeing the big potential in mobile financial services in terms of facilitating financial inclusion.
We may not be there 100%, but would have made significant impact in the lives of the formerly unbanked people.
Compared to, let's say, the financial exclusion of about 60-65% today, in 6 years' time, can that be reduced to maybe 30% at least? If not eliminated, at least 30%, that will be a huge achievement, huge achievement.
So I believe we would have covered significant ground, possibly 50%. That's been ambitious.